Hey everybody, happy Friday. First of all, I guess I just want to say great job. You guys have really just been doing an awesome job all week. And I know Schoology's been off and on, but you guys have really just like found a way. You've been reaching out to your teachers and just getting all your stuff done. So we do really appreciate that. And I hope you guys know that you've been just doing awesome. You definitely deserve the spring break coming up. I hope you find some fun stuff to do, even though you can't really leave your houses. But I hope you guys find some way to relax and just take it easy for a little while. Today's assignment should be pretty easy based on what we've done so far. So you'll just click the link right here. That'll take you to this document. Schoology has been not good lately. So we can't really do assignments anymore. So you'll have to go to this document and click File, and then click Make a Copy. So this is basically just your role's perspective on what should happen. So you know the background information, you know what your role says. If you need to go back, feel free to do that. So you'll pick one of these options for this question. Should Mexico sell their northern territories to the U.S. for $30 million? So each role is definitely going to have a different perspective, and you need to do your best to decide what your role would do in this situation. So yes, they should sell, no, they should not sell, or they should compromise in a different way. Then you'll just fill in this chart, I, and then your role goes here. So U.S. President, Mexican citizen, U.S. citizen, whoever you are, will go here. Type in which one you think down here, and then why you think that. So 3 to 5 things. So the reasons behind your group's decision. After that, you'll just copy and paste this. So you'll highlight it and right click and hit copy. You go to this Padlet right here, and then just click this plus button, and your title will be your name and your role. And you'll just click down here and paste it, what your resolution is. So I did an example one right here that you guys can look and see before you do your own. Yours won't show your name up here, so you do need to add your name because it is graded. It's a role play, so make sure that you put your name on your stuff. And this is just a way, we kind of lost a day because, the Schoology shut down 2 days ago, so we didn't really have much on Wednesday. So we didn't get a chance to do the discussion like I would have liked, so we're going to do this instead. So you don't have to comment on anybody's, but I just want you to look at other roles and see what other roles' perspectives are because, in history, there's obviously different perspectives to what was happening, and we can't just give you one, and so it's important that you see how other groups felt about what was going on, especially as we get into the Mexican-American War more. It's important that you know how different sides felt about it. So just definitely be checking in here and read through the other perspectives as they are posted. And that's really all you have to do today. Feel free to stop by my office hours. Just click this link. It's been pretty fun so far. Thank you for those of you who have been showing up and just chatted for a while. It's nice to talk to everybody. Even if you don't have a question about what you need to do, feel free to stop by. So it should be a pretty easy day. Have a great spring break if I don't hear from you again, and we will connect after that. So awesome. I hope you guys all have a good day.